pasar, me enamoró su mirar. Ese día conmigo el loco, yo sabía que quiere más. Todo su resplandor, lo que muestras es solo amor. Es tan fuerte que solo vos te adueñaste del corazón. Baby,
I added in the Reese's Pieces minis. I had to change spatulas. I'm gonna get it a little bit more melted, and I'm gonna add the Reese's Puffs minis. I added in the Reese's Pieces minis. Okay. I'm gonna move it from the skillet and put it in the pan. Now I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator so it could form for an hour. I actually used my hands. I have these type of kitchen gloves, are good for taking things out of the oven when you're grilling, etc. I got these off of Amazon a long time ago, and so I had just pat it down. Next, I'm gonna make the cheesecake filling. So we have cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna use peanut butter. So anytime I'm melting anything, I always cover it with a damned paper towel, just so it doesn't, mainly just so it doesn't splash, and I feel like it makes it easier to pour. I don't know, could just be what I think. And then right here, I've had this microwave for over a year, and I never used this, and I'm using this all the time now. Oh, wait. Yeah, the soften melt section. So I'm going to combine the cream cheese and the condensed milk. I don't have a hand mixer, so I'm actually going to use my blender and hope that works. So what I decided to do was to melt the cream cheese, because I don't have a hand mixer. Oh shit. I'm so glad this is my house, because I'm like that. What the fuck are you doing? Now I'm going to add some peanut butter. And I'm going to add Reese's Pieces. So I took out the crust and the cheesecake batter mix, and I put down Reese's Pieces cups just to add more chocolate into it. And now I'm going to pour over the cake batter. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the freezer actually. It's so good, but you should definitely freeze it after you put everything together.